जिनेवान जाल्ल्या संयुक्त राष्ट्रांच्या मानवाधिकार परिषदेच्या UN ह्युमन राईट्स काउन्सिलला 62व्या सत्रांत भारताची प्रतिनिधी अनुपमा सिंग हांणी पाकिस्तान आणि OIC कडून जम्मू काश्मीर संदर्भात केलेल्या उल्लेखांक सक्त विरोध केला. जम्मू काश्मीर हो भारताचो अविभाज्य वाटो आसा हाचो पुनरुच्चार करतानाच पाकिस्तानान आपल्या ताब्यांत असलेल्या वाठारांमधली अस्थिरताय आणि दहशतवादावयल्यान जगाचं लक्ष भरकटोवपा खातीर हो कुभांड रचल्या असो घणघणीत आरोप तांणी केलो.
Part of India. The only unresolved issue is Pakistan's illegal occupation of Indian territories and their return. Mr. Vice President, Pakistan's propaganda cannot obscure the reality of repression in Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The ongoing tragedy in Rawalakot, the killing of hundreds of civilians and the brutal crackdown across Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir are the predictable outcome of a system built on forcible occupation and sustained through repression. Decades of military land grabs, demographic engineering and the denial of basic freedoms have brought matters to a point where even demand for bread, electricity, rights and dignity are met with bullets and brutality. This should surprise no one. An illegal and illegitimate occupation can be sustained only through force. Mr. Vice President, this is the country where the sitting defense minister boasts of hosting, training and deploying terrorists as state policy, and yet Pakistan calls itself a victim of terrorism. Indeed, a paradox which only Pakistan could sustain. It is a living example of a Frankenstein state which is shocked when its own monster bites back. Mr. Vice President, our position on Indus Water Treaty is well known. It defies logic that a state which exports terror as an instrument of policy continues to demand the privileges of cooperation predicated on goodwill and friendship. It is equally undeniable that the treaty is now outdated. No technical arrangement can remain frozen in time while the world around it is transformed. A treaty negotiated in 1960 cannot be treated as a perpetual entitlement, which is insulated from accountability, detached from present-day realities, and untouched by the profound changes of the past 6 decades. The escalating impacts of climate change, advances in technology, and the growing imperative for sustainable clean energy demand a re-evaluation of the treaty's relevance and applicability. Mr. Vice President, instead of coveting Indian territories, Pakistan would serve itself and its people far better by putting its own house in order. Its seasonal theatrics in this council have long outlived any novelty. Thank you.